All right, should we spend $400 on this massage gun or should we just spend $70 on this one? In this video, I'm gonna compare both of them and we're gonna find out. If you're like me, a wannabe athlete, and you're into CrossFit and you're into cross country and you're into running and swimming and biking and all the fun stuff, you get sore. And one of the things that happens when you get sore is you wanna go get a massage, but getting a massage is pretty expensive. So someone invented a beautiful tool, and that is a massage gun. The problem is most massage guns on the market right now are either junk or they're extremely expensive. Now this is the TheraGun Generation 4. I'm a huge fan of TheraGun. They are a little expensive. Matter of fact, I have had the TheraGun since the very beginning. This is the G2. I actually had the first generation. I gave it away as a gift. I wish I still had it. The Generation 2 was so loud. My wife hated when I used it. My kids hated when I used it. And I'll give you a quick demonstration. This is how loud the Gen 2 was. Obnoxious. I don't even know how it sounded on the camera. I'm sure it was really loud, but it's super obnoxious. Now how these things work is they're percussion instruments, basically vibration technology. This is the Gen 4, the current generation TheraGun. And if you turn it on real quick, this is the maximum level. You see how the tip of that is just moving? You put it on your skin, you can just see how it vibrates. It feels so good. It's a muscle, deep tissue muscle massage gun. And these things are amazing. You can use them on your own. You can use them with a friend who can do your back for you. But here's the one problem with TheraGun. They are great tools and they're world known. Everybody knows them, everybody loves them. I love them, but they're expensive. So the TheraGun is great. And let me tell you, the only real holdback, and the reason I'm making this video is because they're expensive. This is $397 for a massage gun. There's a lot of cheaper options out there, and there's a lot that are good and there's a lot that are junk. But I want to show you what I found to be the best budget massage gun on the market that I've been able to find, the AllJoy. So today I want to compare both of these massage guns, the TheraGun, which is $397, and the AllJoy, which is only $72. We're going to compare both of these and see, is it worth spending the money to get a TheraGun, or should you save the money and check out the AllJoy? Let's dig in, literally. All right, so at first, they look very similar. Now, they're very ergonomically designed, so you can use your hand, you can dig in, you can push it down into your arm or your leg, and they're designed very similar. Both of them have adjustable heads, and I'll show you how they work. So checking out the AllJoy here, you push in the side, and you can put it as a straight thing right there. You can dig right into your leg. They look very similar when you do so as well. I'm gonna show you on the TheraGun, same setup. So very similar in their function, very similar in their look. Couple key differences that personally I kind of like the AllJoy better for is when you use the TheraGun, the batteries are external batteries. Let's just talk about that for a second. So you have to press this button and the battery comes out. And the battery has a charging base that you have to stick the battery in and charge it. There's two, which is great, but it only gives you 5 hours of runtime, which is a long time. But you have to keep that charging base with you. It's a cord, it's a base, it's a block, all of that just to keep your TheraGun charged. The AllJoy uses a USB-C, and it's just a single cord. You can use the same USB-C if you have anything else that uses USB-C, which most everything's starting to. It's just a USB-C cord and the battery is internal. The other cool thing is a full charge of this will take you 6 hours before you have to recharge. Now, when looking online, obviously a lot of people buy these on Amazon. It's very simple, you can get them basically next day. The one crazy thing that I saw was that the TheraGun had 4.5-star reviews, but the AllJoy had 4.6-star reviews. I think a lot of that is price driven, but I'll tell you from using both of these, they're very similar. One of the things that I'm super interested in is being able to use this while my kids are sleeping. I have 4 kids. I want to make sure that I can use these at night when I'm off of work. So let's check this out, all right? I'm going to play both of these at their max speeds, which the TheraGun, I'm going to turn on now, hits 2,400 RPMs at its max speed. The AllJoy, I'm going to turn this on, its max speed, can hit 3,000 RPMs. I'm not sure if you can hear me over these. I'm sure you can. Both of them are running. One difference you can see, and this is where the TheraGun excels, is that the TheraGun at its max speed can hit 16 millimeters in depth, whereas the AllJoy only hits 12 millimeters in depth, which may not seem like a lot, and it's really not a lot. Both of these are in the upper echelon of the massage guns. Most are 10 or less. So the AllJoy is 12, the TheraGun is 16. Now, I'm gonna turn off the TheraGun for a second because I think it's overpowering in the decibels over the AllJoy. Both are on their max speed. Wow, now that I've turned off the TheraGun, this is on its max speed, 3,000 RPMs. It's actually got a great massage. I can't get as deep. I will totally be honest with you. The TheraGun gets a little bit deeper, obviously at 16 millimeters, but it feels amazing. And it definitely has a little bit more of a vibration therapy. The TheraGun is a little bit more of a deep tissue and it pushes a little bit deeper and you can feel that percussion. And the AllJoy is a little bit more of a comfortable massage. It actually feels amazing. But at its max power, I don't even think you can hear it, can you? I'll put it right next to the mic. Put it right out in front of me. Turn this off, and I'm gonna turn on the TheraGun again. The TheraGun is substantially louder. Even with their quiet force technology, I'll put it next to the mic, put it out the same distance, put this one back on, all the way up to 3,000 RPMs. The TheraGun is a lot louder. All right, now we've talked about battery, we've talked about how long they last, we've talked about how loud they are. Let's talk about the key differences in these. So the key differences to both of these is that the TheraGun is Bluetooth enabled. You can connect this to an app which has different routines. There's routines built in, and you can go through some different routines on the app, which is cool. This is not app enabled or Bluetooth enabled, but you do have 5 different speeds and a very simple display that is literally just one button, you press it. With the TheraGun, you have one button in the middle, you have buttons that are rotational, so you can change a lot of different things. There's a lot of different settings on the TheraGun. Personally, I kind of like simple. Both are great, but personally I like a little bit simple. The main key differences is that it's Bluetooth enabled, it is a little bit of a deeper percussion, but it also is quite a bit more expensive. Whereas the AllJoy has an internal battery which lasts 6 hours, no technology that you have to fool with, and it's a very comfortable deep tissue massage. Both are gonna come with a similar carrying case, and both are gonna come with multiple heads. Now, a couple of the differences too, the AllJoy comes with 8 different heads, the TheraGun comes with 6. If you are one of those people who just wants a TheraGun because you know they're tried and true, get yourself a TheraGun. I'm gonna put the links to where I got mine down in the description. I'm not an affiliate for TheraGun or AllJoy. You can check both of those out if you wanna get one for yourself. But if you want the TheraGun, it's a great option. I obviously have it. I've had them for a long time. I have the TheraGun roller, I have the TheraGun ball. I have a lot of their options, but they are more expensive than the AllJoy. And there's companies like AllJoy that are coming out and they're really trying to compete and they're showing off that you can still have a great massage tool for a fraction of the cost. I don't know about you guys, but $72 to get myself pretty much the same thing as the TheraGun massager, which is $397. This kind of seems like a better deal to me. But you have to make that decision for yourself, and I hope this video was able to help you make that decision and let you know that there are other options out there. You don't have to just go for the most expensive, but also you don't have to go for the most inexpensive. This is a review of both to let you guys know the main differences, to let you guys hear the main differences and how much louder one could be over the other, and obviously where these massage guns came from and maybe where they're going. They're getting much quieter. They're getting much deeper. They're getting less expensive. And at the end of the day, if you're an athlete or if you're just an average Joe and you just want to feel better and you like that massage, these are great tools for you. So as this video comes to a close, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the likes, the comments, any of the support. If you're subscribed to my channel, thank you. If you're not yet, maybe do so. There's a lot more coming. There's a lot of content that I'm in the works, and there's some really cool reviews that are going to be coming really soon too. And if you have any questions that I was unable to answer in this video, please post them in the comments below. I'd like to engage with every single person out there. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like this video, I really think you're gonna like this video. So go ahead and click this video right here and check this out.